Here's how your school liaison can help you, as a parent, stay deployment strong. First, what is a school liaison?
The school liaison is really a great resource. I mean, essentially, the school liaison is your local expert, not only on navigating the school system, but also helping you through those challenges of military life that can have impacts on the education of our military-connected children.
They're dedicated professionals who support military children's academic, social, and emotional well-being for grades pre-K through 12. All branches of service have school liaisons and in locations all over the world, working as a conduit between the local school systems and the installation.
Every military deployment can be different and affect family members in different ways, especially military children.
School liaisons can help make sure schools understand the cycles of deployment and are prepared to support students and families with coping strategies. They can also connect you to local counselors. This support is available at any time and at no cost.
Bottom line, a school liaison is a parent's best support in the area of education and schools, but especially during deployment or military separations.
School liaisons can help you and your family stay deployment strong. To find more resources and support, visit militaryonesource.mil or call 800-342-9647.